Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen. First of all, I'd like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers. If you haven't subscribed and wondering how to subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Mr. Belle got a lot of videos out there. So today I'll be doing something different in the Power XL today. Today I'll be making some chili fries. I have a couple of videos on fries and everything already, but this today is special, so we're gonna make some chili fries today. So I'm gonna get started right now. I'm just gonna set this Power XL. As you see, I put some foil paper in there so it's easy for me to take out. Put it on air fry. I'm gonna use 25 minutes. And I'm gonna set it like that. Let's start like that, and I'm gonna just put the fries in. Just like that. And put the top down, I'm gonna let that cook. And while that is cooking, I'll be grating some Telemont extra sharp cheese, and I'll be using this chili right here and putting it over and then putting the cheese on top. Okay, it's been 11 minutes. We're gonna take a look at it and see how these fries coming out. These fries look like they're coming out nice and good and everything. As you see, it's looking nice. I'm gonna let it cook a little bit more before I put the chili and cheese on it. Okay, it's been 15 minutes, but first, as you see, my chili is in the bowl and my cheese I shredded and everything. So I'm gonna raise this up and they looking nice and good. I'm just gonna put some chili all over these fries and everything. Just put it on just like this, put it all over like that. And these right here gonna be some delicious chili fries. Then I'm just put a little cheese on top of it. Just sprinkle it just like that. And I'm gonna put the top down, let it just melt for a while. Okay, we're gonna take a look at it. The cheese and everything, the chili's melted and everything. And I didn't use the whole 25 minutes, I only used 18 minutes because I set it for 25. So I'm gonna take these out. I'm gonna press cancel and I'm gonna unplug it. And I'm gonna take these out and put them in a plate. I'll be right back. Okay, as you see, they looking nice and good. They hot, I don't wanna burn my mouth, so I'm gonna just get a little bite and see how these come out. As you see the steam. As you see, these are your chili fries. They are delicious. Thanks for watching. If you don't know how to subscribe, just hit the bell. Ting! And you'll subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen.